Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the media channels. We've got a staking pool. Um, if you want to find out about the vision of the staking pool, watch the intro video to my YouTube channel. Check the Discord out, all that kind of good stuff. Okay. All right, look. Cardano Village. I want to talk about Cardano Village. If you've been watching the channel, then you should know about this project. I've been talking about it for a while. Um, Previously, what they've had for sale are these little NFT houses here, these little whimsical NFT houses. Okay, well, now everyone that owned one of these NFT houses have been dropped a land token. So this is how they're doing their land. The pre-land sale is going to be done off of land tickets that have just dropped. And I want to give you this video so that you can prepare it. Now, if you didn't own one of these pieces of land, if you didn't purchase one of these pieces of land, these land NFTs, I mean not land, but one of these little house NFTs, so and you're not getting the drop, you can still let's see, I think it's till the 13th. Let's see, the pre-sale, okay, yeah, till the 13th, you can actually still go on to a CNFT website and check out and purchase a land ticket. Last time I saw, they were going for like 100, 150, yeah, like 150, 175 ADA, something like that, for land tickets. So you can actually go and purchase one of these land tickets at the moment. Um, So that might be something you'd want to do if you missed out, if you didn't catch my last video and purchase one of the little whimsical NFT houses. Okay. Again, all these projects, I just talked about space time, Metaverse. Make sure you check out the founders, the people that are building the project. I really couldn't find too much information on space time, um, but this seems like to be you know, um, Cardano Village. They've got a good, you can tell who's building the project, and and also a lot of this stuff. Look, I'm purchasing this stuff to as kind of a collector item. All right, but anyway, so let me walk you through this prod the way that this is going to be. You're going to acquire land, way you're going to purchase your land. I'm actually going to show you how to do it in a wallet and everything because you've got to send ADA and the land ticket. So I had a little Cardano Village NFT house. All right, I just got dropped a land ticket. Um, Now today's the 5th, so 2 days from now, the pre-land sale is going to open up, and I'm sure they'll release an address, and the address that to mint the land, actual land. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to send the land ticket and 10 ADA to the minting address, and the mint actually for the land is 8.5 ADA, and they'll send you 1.5 ADA back. Okay, the reason this is done like this is because you have to send a little bit of ADA when you send an NFT. All right, so the and I'm going to walk you through this process here in a second. On the 9th, 3D map is going to be released. There's a 2D map right now. 3D map is going to be released. On the 15th, there's going to be a public sale of land for Cardano Village. Okay, the price of the public sale of land is going to be 58 ADA, right? So 58 ADA per piece of land. Now, the thing is that there were 10,100 tickets dropped because that's how many of those little NFT houses were released. Okay, so that means there's only going to be 5,344 pieces of land available on the 15th for the public sale. Okay, again, though, you can go on some of the CNFT places and purchase one of these land tickets. Just don't do it after the 13th, because if you do it after the 13th, then it won't be worth anything. Okay, but you can still get one of these tickets on some of the CNFT places, or you can just wait. Like I said, I think they're going for like 150 ADA. You can wait until the public sale on the 15th, and it'll be 58 ADA, but there's only going to be 5,344 of those. available, so you can take your chances on there. All right, so let me show you how this is actually going to work. Um, you want to be able to use a wallet that can send the ticket plus the ADA. Um, so let's see, this is actually the address I'm going to use. Let me copy that. So let's see. All right, what I have is I have my little house NFT. All right, from my Cardano village. Now, if you do go buy one of these tickets, make sure you check the policy number, because from what I understand, there's some scams going on. Okay, so and you'll see right here on the ticket it says valid till 2/13. All right, so don't make sure you check the policy number and don't buy it after that, or you'll be buying an invalid ticket. You won't get anything for it. So I have my little Cardano village, which my little house, which gave me the drop of the land exchange ticket. So let's go over here. Now I'm using CC Vault. Um, I've used a number of wallets. I set this account up just to kind of to check out the wallet, and from what I understand, this is a good wallet to do this specific transaction in because of sending the token plus the ADA. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to send. If you're using CC Vault, okay, you're going to go to send, enter receiving address. Now I'm just going to paste, this is just a random address here. I'm not going to really send anything. There's no address to send it to right now, so don't use this address. Make sure you get the real address from Cardano Village when they release it on the 7th, which is 2 days from now. Okay, and I'll probably post that in my Discord if you want to join the Discord. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put in just one ADA. Alright, we got to send a little bit of ADA here. Oh no, actually we got to send 10 ADA because it's ADA plus a ticket is what we're sending. Okay, so we're going to send the 10 ADA, and then we're going to click on add token, and we'll go down here, and we want to send the Cardano Village exchange ticket. Okay, so we're going to add that. So we have the 10 ADA plus one asset, plus the one asset here. All right, and then we're going to just double check it. That can be added, so that's not in there. That can be removed, so that's already in there. And we're going to click next. And then it'll ask you for your spend and password. Your spend and password is whatever you set up when you actually set this wallet up. Make sure you always write your password down and write the words down to reset your wallet, in case you have to restore it at a later date. So which I'm not going to do it now, but you'll put your spend and password in, and then you'll click sign, and that will send it over. That's how you send your ticket and your Cardano over. Okay. One more thing, let me show you real quick. Now the way they've set it up is um, if you have more than one parcel of land redemption ticket, the first one's going to be 10 ADA, second one's going to be 18.5, three is going to be 27 ADA, and then so on, right? And this is if you send them all at the same time, because they're actually not 10. It's not 10 ADA a piece. It's actually 8.5 ADA, and that's just the ADA that they're going to send back to you. So that's why the prices are a little bit different. So here's the price chart if you want to reference that. Anyway, well, I hope your trading's going well, and hope you found this video useful. Y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time. Okay.